Tired of trying to wrap new trimmer line? Not sure which size of line to buy? If so, you need a replacement spool. The replacement spool consists of a new plastic spool preloaded with the correct size and amount of trimmer line for your trimmer. The replacement spool takes the headache out of trying to wind and replace the trimmer line when your trimmer runs out. Installing a replacement spool is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the trimmer head cap. It's secured with 2 tabs on either side of the trimmer head. I just push them in and the cap will come off. The spool is beneath the cap. I just pull it away from the trimmer head. Here I have the new spool preloaded with trimmer line. When you receive it, the trimmer line will be stored into the spool so it doesn't come off in shipping. So the first thing I need to do is pull the trimmer line away from the trimmer head, back out through this hole so it can unwind during use. Now I can install this back into the trimmer. I'll insert the trimmer line through the eyelet in the trimmer head, place the spool into the trimmer head, and make sure that it locks into the lever at the base, like that. And I'll secure the spool with the cap.